Hi Algebra 2, Ms. King here, and we are starting lesson 49 using the binomial theorem. What is a binomial? Think about the word binomial. We learned this a few lessons ago. Binomial means two terms. So we're going to use a theorem that is going to help us figure something out about two terms. Let's say A and B are the two terms. And what the binomial theorem works with is expanding the powers of this binomial. So if we have a plus b to the 0, a plus b to the 1, a plus b squared, a plus b cubed, we can see, if we figure this out, there is a pattern. So let's do this first. What's a plus b to the 0? Well, we know anything to the 0 is 1. Okay? Another way I could write that is 1, A, 0, B, 0, right? The other, yeah, and that equals 1, sorry. Okay, A plus B to the 1, anything to the 1 is itself. So we know that's A plus B, which is the same thing as 1A, oh goodness, I need new markers. Let's try this again. 1A, 1B, 0 plus 1A, 0B, 1. Remember, anything to the 0 is 1. So when I have a term to the 0th power, it's just 1. And so this truly is A plus B. So you can see that. Okay, it's going to get a little more difficult. A plus B squared. Remember, when we square a binomial, we have to FOIL it out. So we're going to do A plus B times A plus B. And I'm sure you remember, we want to do A squared plus AB plus AB plus B squared, and that equals A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, and that also, I'm just going to show you, that's the same thing as 1A squared B0 plus 2A1 B1 plus 1A to the 0 B squared. You're going to see in a minute why I'm expanding it in this way with the coefficients and the 0 exponents. We're going to do one more, and I'm going to go ahead and write this down. Expand it. It's going to be 1A3 B0 plus 3A squared B1 plus 3A1 B squared plus 1A0 B3. Okay. What I want to do here is I want to underline all the coefficients. So remember, the coefficient is the number before the term, at the beginning of the term. Here, we have a 1, we have a 1 and a 1, we have 1, 2, 1, and we have 1, 3, 3, 1. Keep that in mind for the next video.